In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stacked bar chart in Excel. We'll go step by step, so even if you're not very experienced with Excel, you'll be able to follow along and get a clean, professional-looking chart by the end. First, open your Excel workbook and make sure your data is laid out clearly. You should have your categories listed in one column like years, regions, or products, and then the different parts you want to stack in the columns to the right, such as individual departments, segments, or subcategories. Each row should represent one main category, and each column should represent one segment that will be stacked inside your bars. Take a moment to check that there are no completely blank rows or columns inside your data range, because that can confuse Excel when it builds the chart. Once your data is ready, click and drag to highlight the entire table, including the headers at the top. Those headers are important because Excel will use them for your chart legend and axis labels. With the data selected, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Charts group, look for the bar chart icon. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose the Stacked Bar option, not the Clustered Bar. You might also see a 100% Stacked Bar option. That one shows each bar as a percentage. But for now, choose the Standard Stacked Bar so you can see actual values. Excel will automatically insert a basic stacked bar chart into your sheet. At this point, you'll probably want to clean up the chart so it's easier to read. Click on the chart title and type in something descriptive, like sales by region and product line, or whatever matches your data. This helps anyone looking at the chart understand it right away. Next, check your legend and axis labels. The horizontal axis usually shows the values, while the vertical axis shows your main categories. If something looks off, you can right-click on the chart and use the Select Data option to swap the rows and columns or adjust which series are included. You can also customize colors to make the segments easier to tell apart. Click on one of the stacked segments, then use the formatting options to choose new fill colors. Try to keep the colors distinct but not too bright, so the chart stays readable. Finally, resize the chart by dragging the corners and position it where you want it on the sheet. When you're happy with the layout, save your workbook so you don't lose your work. And that's all it takes to create a clear, effective stacked bar chart in Excel.